Okay, so I trusted that something might come of that. I didn't know whether it would or when it would. Sometime later in the early morning, we come in and we sit down, and Miss McClennahan stands at the front of the class and she said, I understand that some of you don't like me. So I'm going to give you each a piece of paper, and I'm going to give you 10 minutes to write down on your paper what it is that you don't like about me, and be sure you put your name on your paper. I'm like so straight up. I'm like, oh, cool. We're going to have a group meeting here. We're going to go do some conflict resolution, and she's going to like bite the bullet and take the feedback. No way. I didn't know that. Because I'm old, I'm a really old soul. And I thought, okay, well, here we go. There's going to be some accommodation. No accommodation, not for children, not for fifth graders, not when you're an ex-nun and you're like, bleh. Okay. So I was like, okay, good. We got an assignment. Let me do it. I wrote my name on my paper and I made my list. And then I waited. I did what she asked us to do. She collected all the papers. Now, within days of this, it was also going to be her birthday. And I had, once again, as president of the class, engineered we were going to give her a surprise party, because I don't dislike anybody that much that I'm going to ignore their birthday when I'm like have to be in the same classroom with them. And I didn't have that kind of animosity toward her. Not a problem for me. Conflict resolution, great. You do it, you get it over with. And oh, by the way, it's your birthday. Congratulations. Here, we're going to have some cupcakes. So I had organized things, and people bought pretzels, and they bought potato chips, and somebody bought napkins, and somebody bought little plates. And then we had a couple of bottles of juice, and some people got birthday cards, and we were just going to surprise her. So I went and asked our fourth grade teacher, who we all love, Mrs. Abrams, if she would come out and call Miss McClennahan out of the room on some ruse. She could figure it out. She's a teacher. She could, no problem, she would be able to do that. Gave her the reason why. We're going to set up the surprise for her, and we need you to take her out in the hall and keep talking to her. Take her somewhere. Take her to, I don't know, wherever. Take her to the gymnasium, whatever you got to do. And so we had everything set up. And when Miss McClennahan walked back in the room, everybody stood up and sang happy birthday. Well, she was nonplussed, putting it mildly. Everyone, sit down. Stop this immediately. And then she had to figure out how she was going to respond to this major act of kindness after children who were just asking for the respect that we were giving her. We need to clear up. There's conflict here. We need to resolve it. And you don't get to run the show, and we don't have any power. That was my stand.
Here's my notes, my preparations for today. This is off the cuff. I used to be a chronic stutterer, so I kind of know what it feels like. I just spend so much time with pro speakers, international keynote speakers, people playing at a higher level, that I just kind of forgot the general population. Now I know, like, the name of my website is nextlevelpublicspeaking.com. It says on the name. Okay, so it says right here, right? It just says here, nextlevelpublicspeaking.com. Okay. Anaiis has spent some time in the academy, right? The mindset stuff, mindset piece. It's a bit next level. So I apologies for having forgotten this. I got a bunch of stuff. I got workbooks for you. I got videos for you. I got gifts for you. I got money for you. Plus anything you want.